Hey, what's good, YouTube? Royal here, and I'm documenting my wealth building journey. So if you're watching this for the first time, feel free to hit those buttons. All right. I'm addicted. I am officially addicted, and if there's a cure, I don't want it. I'll run from it. I'm addicted with dividends. Collecting these dividends. I'm actually in my car right now. It's work. I'm on my break and I'm recording this video for you guys. I'm truly starting to understand the compounding effect. I'm truly starting to understand how this snowball can roll bigger and bigger and bigger as I invest in these stocks and starting to see my money move a little bit, right? And I'm not even at $10,000 in my account yet. I'm just shy of $10,000, about $8,600. But as I slowly inch towards $10,000 in my account, I'm truly starting to understand this wealth game. I'm truly starting to understand assets over liabilities and truly locking in and letting your money work for you. Letting your money work for you. Every dollar that you put inside the market is like a soldier in your army. Crazy. I'm really starting to understand why people, stay broke. Because this is the biggest wealth hack. Investing in stock markets, the biggest, brightest, most profitable companies in the world. I actually work at Apple through a temp agency. You guys don't know the most profitable companies in the world. You can actually own a piece of them. Y'all going to different stores, driving by different stores all the time. You seeing these big construction vehicles, right? That's Caterpillar. You seeing Costco. You seeing the Starbucks and the Lowe's. And all these different type of companies, you guys can be owning a piece of them, owning a piece of Apple. You understand? This is the biggest wealth hack ever. And I am the first generational wealth builder in my family. I'm the only person in my family buying stocks. Well, I'm starting to get other people involved, but I'm the only person trading. My parents don't have no money in the markets. We were trained to work at jobs and use that income for our expenses, right? And if you only use your income from your job for your expenses, and if you're not saving and investing, you will never get ahead. I promise you, you will never get ahead. You will keep struggling. You will keep having to show up at work, and you will have to keep trading your time for money. And this is what I've been thinking about all damn day. Touching phones, hearing ringers and alerts go off all day. This is what I've been thinking about. The compounding effect and how things can truly snowball in your favor. And I am addicted. To these dividends, y'all. I am addicted. I'm starting to see the needle move in my favor. And this is just an amazing wealth game to play. It's an amazing wealth game to play. One of the easiest, in my opinion, now that I'm actually in it and actually getting some experience. So I just wanted to rant a little bit. I'm on my lunch break, about to go clock back in a bit. But I had to drop this message because you need to be investing. I'm actually using the Webull app. If you're interested, click on the link in the description. Sign up for a free account and buy your first few shares. And when you start getting them dividends, woo, you're going to see how addictive it can be as well. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because if you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you will enjoy the next one.